All right, today we're going to talk about beards, and Chase here has an epic one. And the only solution for an epic beard is an epic beard styling. So I want to run through a quick routine on beards. Proper beard care starts with proper skin care, and proper skin care always starts with picking proper oils. I highly recommend Olio Beard Co. There's a couple of reasons. They're local, and I love to support local. I'm a local guy, and they pick the choicest oils for the skin. The best time to apply a beard product is right when you get out the shower. Your pores are open. You're not aiming for the top, you're aiming for the face. But since he didn't just get out of the shower, I'm just going to show you a few quick methods for if like you get a little wind swept. I like a high volume comb. One of the things is the tines on the comb are very wide, so you're not going to be ripping, you're not going to be tearing, you're just going to be gentle. And so beards are curly, and they're kind of like an afro. We're just kind of picking it out to its natural state. And then I want to follow up with a little bit of oil. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Around 6 drops, 6-ish. Even on a bigger beard, this was what I'd call probably like a medium. You kind of want to go gentle. You're actually aiming for the face that's under the beard, not quite on top. The product for a topical beard is the beard balm. So you're applying the beard through the beard, you're applying the beard oil through the beard to the face. Trying to get all over. I like to go easy on the mustache. Sometimes if a guy has a really nice mustache and you just drench it in oil, he's not going to be able to handle, making it curly and nice. And I have a little bit extra, and I noticed he's got a pretty short haircut, so what I'm going to do is just kind of apply it everywhere. You can put it on the ears, you can kind of put it on the forehead. It's a really great moisturizer, and then you don't waste anything. And I want to run my comb through it one more time. We're kind of just going straight down and out. And then the best thing you can do to a beard after the oil application is a natural hair bristle brush. This is boar's hair. The boar's hair is going to absorb excess oil and leave Chase here feeling like a new man, rather like, he might have an oil slick on his face. The natural hairs are gentle on the beard as well. They take and they tame and they shape the beard. And you can't forget the hairs that grow under. Actually, the neck beard is very important. It gives body to the beard, makes it less see-through. And any final touches can be done with your bare hands.